In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Smartsheet form. If you've ever found yourself in need of replicating a form within Smartsheet, whether it's to streamline your workflow, maintain consistency, or simply save time, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can do this quickly and easily. First, you'll want to open the Smartsheet containing the form you wish to duplicate. Start by logging into your Smartsheet account and navigate to the sheet that contains your original form. This part is crucial because forms are directly tied to individual sheets, and you'll need to ensure you're working within the correct one. Now, once you've opened up your desired sheet, you'll need to locate the Forms menu. Up at the top, you'll notice a row of tabs. The Forms tab is typically situated there alongside options like File, Edit, and View. Click on Forms to reveal the list of existing forms tied to the sheet. Here, you'll find all the forms you've created or have access to, displayed in a neat drop-down list. Once you access the Forms section, your next task is to locate the specific form you'd like to duplicate. Scroll through the list and select it. If you have many forms and are struggling to find the right one, remember they are often named in a way that reflects their purpose. Whether it's a project intake form or a survey, the name should guide you. When you've found the form you're looking for, use the duplicate option to make a copy. This feature is typically found by clicking on the three-dot menu, which is conveniently situated next to your form's name. Clicking that will unveil additional choices, and duplicate should be prominently displayed. Selecting this option will instantly create a new form, preserving all the original's fields, formatting, and logic. This duplication process is extremely helpful, as it enables you to maintain consistency across similar projects or tasks without the hassle of creating new forms from scratch. What's more, once duplicated, you have the flexibility to customize this new form to better suit your needs or make minor adjustments as needed. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully copied a Smartsheet form. Remember, this approach is not only efficient, but also a smart way to ensure uniformity in data collection processes, especially in a collaborative work environment. Whether you're managing a team, gathering feedback, or launching projects, knowing how to duplicate forms can be a game changer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and simpler for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Smartsheet tips and tutorials.